database backup. The option for full is also there, transactional log and differential. But from what is stated here, it has to be full. It has to be full. But because it's not working, I also tried to implement this agent SPS to see if it will allow me to carry out the maintenance plan setup, but it is not functioning. So I don't know what the problem is, if there's a file missing during the download. So I think after that, basically, when that setup is done, I think I have to come back to maintenance plan, refresh it. So it now allows me to modify, my plan, giving me better options. But before completing the maintenance visa, it will definitely show me whether it's successful or not. So when I select the maintenance plan and click on modify, so it gives me option to choose other things like I want to schedule time for the tax and every other details that need to be sorted out would be done. But since it's not active in my studio, I don't really know what more I could do. But the other part talks about creating jobs. Okay, so for the job to be created, I have to go and select the server agent, SSMS server agent. Selecting the SSMS server agent, you can right click on this point and then, okay, it's already started. So if I click on this drop down, I will see where it says jobs. I right click on it and then go to new jobs. So it will display, gives you option to give it a name. So I could just say, let me say main plan. And then that's for the general. There are other steps. You could select the first step. If the first step didn't work, what should happen? When you click new, provide the name of the step. Step name, like I say, step 1. And then transactional type is already here. Let's see. So I still leave it at master database, or else you select the database needed. I could choose the database I want. I could choose the database I want. So if I script this now, so this is what will happen at the back end. This is how the job, the code that puts up together to give us that job. So it's also important to understand that for this work, it shows that one has to ensure that some maintenance is being scheduled, because you might not be there all the time to do it, to set it up manually. So it has to be on automatic. So once the automatic schedule is active, it allows for constant monitoring of the system. We could choose how to set up the job, depend on your own time. It could be 8 a.m., 8 p.m. It could be daily. It could be weekly. So if I come back to this job and say refresh, you can see here that the job has been created. But, you know, maintenance plan is always good because it will help keep the database healthy. It's very, very important, you know, and then that of the cleanup history, it helps to check the integrity parts, you know, and then that can be set for a monthly checkup. So it's important that this implementation be carried out to enable our system function more optimally.